Hi, everyone. I decided to focus on recording one of your teaching sessions to play back and review as an assessment. This presentation explores effective evaluation strategies in teaching, focusing on the use of video recording as a tool for self-feedback. Evaluations help teachers identify strengths and areas for improvement and support student learning. As Rachel Tustin discusses in the article, Why It's Important to Evaluate Yourself as an Instructor, you need to regularly engage in self-evaluation so you can grow the skills you need to deal with any challenge students throw your way. For us as instructors, having our own evaluations strengthens our students in the classroom. There are a few key best strategies that we as instructors need to keep in mind prior to filming our own teaching. The first one is by getting permission from the students is important to ensure we maintain that trust within our classroom. The second one, providing a verbal or written disclosure of the recording to allow documentation. This will be helpful for future viewing. Third, making sure to check with your institution or place of employment and their guidelines that if a recording is allowed. And lastly, having the right equipment. Having clear video and audio is important for when playing that recording back. Like any type of self-assessment method, there will always be pros and cons. Here are some that I have identified. For pros, the first one here, not only are you able to use these recordings as a self-assessment, but feedback from peers and mentors fosters constructive critique to improve skills and ideas. It could even encourage other instructors to also want to record their sessions and do a self-assessment. Second, with enhancing self-awareness, these can help teachers gain deeper self-awareness by observing their own classroom behaviors and interactions. This can even include your hand gestures, tone, volume, and pace. And last, as described in the article, evaluating your own performance as an educator, available on the Edmonton website. It might be painful to listen and watch yourself, but it's a great way to quickly identify changes that you'll want to make. Some of the cons that I have identified, the first one could be learning new different recording systems. Not only is learning the new recording system a challenge sometimes, but if there's any technical issues, it could cause some disruption to the class while you're trying to troubleshoot those. Second is comfortability, both for students and yourself. Sometimes the nerves get the best of us, and you may not teach like yourself knowing you're recording yourself to then evaluate yourself. Students may also be nervous being recorded, and they might be worried about providing the wrong answer, and then they may not want to speak up. Last, we can be our worst critics at times, and this can lead to us giving more negative feedback with our self-assessment. So, in conclusion, integrating evaluation strategies with video recording empowers teachers to cultivate self-awareness and drive professional growth. Embracing these tools leads to more effective and reflective teaching. Thank you.